Hi, in this video we can see that in Spring Boot application how we can remove embedded server from the Spring Boot applications. Now I want to remove tomcat, so for that open a pom.xml and for that we have one tag exclusion. So exclusion what do it is remove the dependency. So here Spring Boot starter tomcat I remove from Spring Boot starter web. So Spring Boot starter web is a parent dependency. Inside that it contains tomcat and any other dependency. So this is a help to remove the dependency. So now we just clean and install it first. Now see, when I exclude tomcat in a pom.xml, then its package is wherever it used to develop application and code, then it is shows does not exist. So cancel symbol solid. So that's it. See how we can remove any embedded web, embedded tomcat and any other jabos like that. So we can exclusion from the pom.xml. So this way we can remove the embedded server.